welcome back to the channel. Today we're in Elbe celebrating little man's birthday. He asked us to go crawl on some rocks, so we called our buds and we're trucking today. See what trouble we can go get ourselves in. That was wild! Yeah! I won't say it.
Hey, what's today?
My birthday.
What did you want to do for your birthday?
Ride the buggy.
Keep it hard, driver. Come on, little gas. Passenger, there you go. There you go. Driver, driver, driver. Good job, buddy.
Hold it right there. Hold it right there.
Good job, Ben. Gas.
Gas. Gas. Gas.
Happy birthday.
Thanks.
Yeah.
Happy birthday,
Nice
buddy.
birthday, Emma.
Hey, buddy.
Thanks.
How old are you now?
How old are you?
6.
6? We're wrong.
Dang it! We said you were 7.
Okay. Get more in the middle. Keep going.
Yeah.
You can't say a F word around me.
I'm sorry, buddy. I didn't mean to.
Okay.
I won't do it again, okay?
Okay.
You go full loose line?
Yeah.
brakes. I think over those rocks, a rock caught one of my brake lines, whatever one it is, but I have 0 brakes.
Okay, you want to go first?
Yeah, I probably won't wheel anymore.
Yeah.
Like, I like my life, and I don't want to hit nobody.
Yeah, 100%.
So I'll just go first, roll down the trailer.
Well, go through the middle. There you go, baby. There you go. Keep it passenger. Back up. Come on. Turtle, I think. Okay, back up. There's a rock on your pit in the rear. Yeah? Go forward. Okay, stop.
Yeah, I have
Go forward. Yeah, the rock hit the brake line.
Yeah, killed a brake line also. We're gonna vice grip it up and then get out of here.
We've been asked by a few of you guys to do a more Q&A style video. So if you could take some time and post some of your questions for us in the comments, we'll be answering those in a future video. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and please take a minute to subscribe to our channel. It really helps us out. And then that way you guys will be notified when our most recent video releases. Thank you again for watching, and we'll catch you next time on Fake News Off-Road.